Hi, this is Chris from Total Parts Plus, 29 Meadow Ave, Coopers Plains. Our phone number is 0738481382, and today we have a 2015 Holden Colorado LX single cab chassis ute, stock reference number 3988. This shape runs from the first month 2012 and is the current shape. It has a LWN 2.8 litre 4-cylinder turbo diesel engine backed by a 6-speed manual rear-wheel drive transmission. LWN 2.8 litre 4-cylinder turbo diesel engine. This vehicle has sustained damage in the left-hand front and the left-hand side. We have the right-hand headlight, left power door mirror. This vehicle is fitted with factory 16-inch steel rims. The left rear has a good tyre. Have the spare tyre, also 16-inch steel. It's got a factory fitted towbar supplied with all bolts, brackets, loom and module. Right-hand rear, 16-inch steel rim with a good tyre. Right rear door has one small dent. Right power door mirror. Right guard appears to have no damage, and a right front 16-inch steel rim with a good tyre. We have the driver's side door trim, power window master switch. This vehicle is fitted with grey cloth interior. It's got a grey centre console lid, 6-speed manual gear shifter, heated controls, factory MyLink media player, interior mirror, courtesy lamp, left sun visor, right sun visor, instrument cluster, and a tidy 3-spoke leather steering wheel with cruise and audio buttons. I'm Chris from Total Parts Plus, and I'd like to thank you for watching this video.